Chat, any reaction po na you're part of Cinemalay 2025, yung movie niyo po?
Very honored kasi ever since pangarap ko na ako sa Cinemalay.
Kaya nga po eh.
Thankful ako na nabigyan ako ng chance to show my voice.
Yeah. Kayo rin po ba yung magsusulat nitong movie?
Co-write.
Co-write.
May in mind na po ba, top of mind, kung sino yung mga gaganap na artist?
Wala pa, papa-casting call pa.
Pero can you share briefly na po kung anong tungkol sa yung movie or what's...
Well, paano ba? Siguro it's about a mother and a daughter who go to campaign for a political rally and that tragic event.
Alright, the next set of winners.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim did parang an amazing po when it comes sa view po, top 1 pa rin po siya. And dun po nag-start yung Kim Pao fever. How does it feel po na kayo po yung nag-direct doon?
Hindi, nasakit sa
Please
Kim Pao ang
come on
lahat.
stage, all the winners.
Sumuport lang ako sa kanila.
And we'll have a picture
very
as
thankful
well
ako dun sa
with the jury
reception.
members and the
Sa show and
organizing
dun sa fans ng dalawa.
Yeah.
So yun, abangan niyo yung future
Again,
projects.
best
nila.
actor.
Yes, and magkaka-movie po silang dalawa. Are you going to be directed by?
Let's see.
Full length and shorts.
Pero are you willing to be part
Best
of that
actor,
movie?
best actress.
Oo naman. I'll always be supporting the two.
Come on
Yeah.
From
stage,
real to
have a
real na po ba
photo
daw yung
with-
relationship nila?
Naku,
Kamusta po ba sila sa
iba rin
set?
ako. The usual. Very friendly nilang dalawa. As in, iba yung bond namin dun sa set. Hindi lang nilang dalawa. Lahat kami. So, yun. Yun naman.
Nakikita po talaga because po na-direct po ninyo yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, talaga naging successful po yung Kim Pao.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Not kaya back to next year.
Yes. Thank you po. Congrats.
1, 2,
Temron Villanueva for child number 82.
Feeling ko maingay na kay Chan. Kasi siya po yung universe.
Sari Dalena for Cine Martyrs. Dustin Celestino for Habang Nilalamon ng Hydra ang Kasaysayan.
Marami
Jen Romano for Padamlagan or Nightlife.
sa audition pa.
Raymond Barcelon and Cheska Marfori for Paglilitis. Rene Dimla for Republika ng People Lipinas. Nigel Santos and Kivi Vicente for Open Endings. Nonilon Abao for bloom where you are planted. And finally, Kevin Z. Alhambra and Rachel Badayos for Warla. So ladies and gentlemen, ito ang Cinemalaya 2025 full-length finalists.
The Film Development Council of the Philippines.
Everyone done? The next set of winners, may I call on stage our special jury prize winners for the short and full length, for the best film, shorts and full length. Please, may I call on stage all the winners to have a photo with our jury members and organizing committee members. Okay, winners of the special jury, both shorts and full length, for the best director shorts and full length, for the best film shorts and full length. Everyone, focus, camera, ready, 1, 2, 3, please. And then again, all the winners, if you're still here, please come forward to join everyone on stage, all the winners. And after this, we would like to request all our alumni who are here.
Ayun naman yung sa point of artistry, di ba? Magkaroon ka ng platform para magawa mo yung gusto mong gawin. At
All the winners,
gusto
everyone
talaga
on
gawin.
stage,
And,
again.
I'm so happy.
Ready,
na nakuha
cameras?
niya ang,
1,
hindi lang ang
2,
best actress,
3.
kundi mga puso natin. Di ba? Sa pagganap
Please,
kay Teacher
please.
N.
Alright, is everyone on stage? Closer.
Sa inyong
Make it
collection
more
ng
compact.
awards. I think, ano, yan,
So you
no?
can go into
Feeling
the
ko ito
space.
rin